MyTunes AI music generator. So here is the app, quite popular app these days. It's in top charts, as you can see. It's one of the best AI music generator apps right now. There is also Donna AI app. These are like basically two competitors. So pretty cool. Instantly create your dream songs with our powerful AI music generator app. So turn your ideas and lyrics into captivating songs within seconds. Experience music creation like never before. Discover MyTunes, the revolutionary AI music app that puts the power of songwriting at your fingertips. Whether you input a simple prompt or provide your own lyrics, our advanced AI generates complete songs tailored to your imaginations. So there's AI song generator where you can craft unique songs across various genres by simply describing your desired theme or mood. Lyrics generator, AI voice generator, song cover creator, covers with custom voice. Then you also have AI rap, AI pop, AI rock, and many more. Then yeah, you can just open it up. And here you have it. So you can get full access and it's super cheap. So you can see that there is 7-day full access just for $5, so super cheap, or yearly access just for $40. And then there is limited free version. So here you can have some description. You can also suggest me. There are all of this suggestion. So something like that. Then you can just select all the different genres. Then there are all settings, so like you can select gender, select genre, select recording. You can select instrumental or not. And then you can just tap create. Unfortunately, then yeah, you need to upgrade for that. Then there is AI cover. You can also create AI cover. You can create a cover for any song, like I guess audio file or just some kind of YouTube link. And then there is your library created by MyTunes. So then you can have in here your creations. So that's where it is. 7-day full access, just $5, where you have it. And that's what you have in here. And then you have your AI music, party hype. Pretty easy to use app and quite nice. You can also then just create your own, suggest your own lyrics. So something like that. Then you can see you can also edit it out. Then there is some description, then there is lyrics mode, then you can suggest. Then there are additional settings. You can customize all of it. So super easy to use app which you can just try to use. So yeah, that's basically the idea. If you put enough likes under this video, I will upgrade and show you the upgraded version. So yeah, put a like, subscribe to my channel, consider becoming a member for my channel, and yeah, I will create more content.